is Doc Henson here. This is going to be the first ammunition test for accuracy, and we're going to be using the CCI Quiet 22. It's a 40 grain projectile moving at 710 feet per second. We're going to be shooting it out of this Marlin 795, and we're going to shoot two groups at 25 yards, and we're going to just see what the accuracy is. I'm not sure if I'm going to shoot for the square, the diamond, or the circle, but once I get it in my scope, I'll determine that. But I will shoot the first group on the left, the second group on the right, and I'm not sure if you watched my video saying that I'm going to do these accuracy tests with a lot of different kinds of ammo, but I'm going to do this the same for all of them, and this is the first one, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to be resting the rifle at 25 yards, and just shooting this paper target, and we're going to find out what the accuracy is on it. And here we go. Let me go set up this target, move back to 25. I'll be right back. Due to some issues here, as you can see, the left group size, which is group 1, is considerably smaller than group size 2. I'm feeling like I'm getting really good trigger pulls every time. I have it rested, so I'm not real sure what happened on group 2, but I can already tell I'm going to have to make a change. For things like this, what I'm going to do is, instead of doing 2 groups of 5, I'm going to do 3 groups of 5. That way we can have just one more group, and I'm going to go ahead and do that and see what we get on that, and then we can compare the group sizes and discuss what I think is the problem there. All right, Doc Henson back here with you. We got those groups. Had to do 3 just because of the group 2 looked crazy. I still don't know if it's the ammo or it's me. Now, I think that I'm a decent shooter, and the rifle's rested, and I'm really taking my time with these shots, and I'm getting really good trigger breaks. So, with what we're given, we're just going to have to go off. This is what the ammo did. We got a pretty good one on group 1. On group 2, it really strung out side to side, and on this one, we just got that. So what we'll do is, on each of these, I'll give the smallest group, the largest group, and you can go from there. I'll give you all the groups if you want to average them. We can average them, but for the smallest group here, we'll do it in inches. It is right between 3/4 and 7/8. Depends where I move the ruler here. I'd say more on the 7/8 side. Yeah, about 7/8 on that group. This is going to be the biggest group for sure. And on this one, I'll have to turn the ruler around here. That's all right. That one is almost 2 inches. It's about 1 7/8 on that one. That's the biggest group, 1 7/8. So we went from 7/8 to 1 7/8. So that's a pretty big jump. Now on this one, we'll have to kind of look. Right there, a little less than 1 1/2. See if it's bigger this way here. With this group, we may have to. Okay, so this is the longest one. What I may do later, and I'll have to make up my mind. I may do it in millimeters just so we can get very, very precise on these groups. And that one is just about 1 3/8 on that one. So small, that's the largest, and the last group we shot, it's right in the middle. I'll go ahead, just in case I do decide to later do it in millimeters, I'll go ahead and do this in millimeters, just so if you want to compare any kind of ammo from these videos that will be done, you can. On this one here, It's going to be right at 22 millimeters on the largest one. It's going to be about 28 millimeters, and on the middle one, right at 36 millimeters. So there you go. You got it in inches and millimeters, and I'll determine which one I want to use for future videos. You know, I'm not real sure what to say about this CCI Quiet. I know it's not the most accurate because it's running so slow, and you know, you got that dwell time in the barrel. It takes longer for it to get through the barrel, so you do have a you know that issue. But I'm not sure if it should be, you know, grouping this big at 25 yards. This is only 25 yards, and I have shot way better at 25 yards. But given what we're given, this is what we got. So appreciate you watching this video. Continue to keep up with the channel, and I'll have many more different 22 ammo accuracy tests coming out at 25 yards, the same as this one, so we can compare them. You know, may do a video at the end going from the most accurate from my results to the least accurate, just from my results though. I'm only one person with one rifle, the one specific scope, you know, on this given day. So, you know, there can be differences in everybody's results, but you know, that's how it happened today. So we'll do that. Appreciate you watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Try to put up new videos all the time, and if you want to, you can go over to patreon.com/real.kenson. You can donate $1 on there if you want to help out the channel, get ammo and targets and firearms and gear for me to do the videos on, since YouTube is really not paying us gun channels. But thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.